In this video, I will show you how you can do the first time setup on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Now before you start the setup process, make sure that you turn on your iPhone. For that, just press and hold the side button until you power on your iPhone. As you can see, our iPhone is already powered on, and after you see the screen, just swipe up and go to the next page. Now from here, just select your language. After you select your language, then select your country or region. And after that, just select the appearance of the screen. You have the option of default, but you can also select medium and it will increase the size of the text and the font of the screen. And also you have the option of large. Now for now I will select large, then tap on continue. Now if you're switching from another iPhone to the iPhone 16, you can use the old iPhone to complete the sign-in process. But if you're not switching from an iPhone, you can select setup without another device. Now from here, just select Use Selected Settings. After you arrive on this page, then just connect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network. Then tap on Continue and select the range of your age. I will select Adult. Now if you want to set up Face ID on your iPhone, you can tap on Continue. Otherwise, you can do it later in the settings. And also if you want to create a lock screen passcode for your iPhone, you can do it from here, or you can tap on passcode options and you can select don't use passcode. Select do not use passcode. Now if you want to transfer your apps and data from your iCloud or from any other device, you can do it from here. Otherwise, you can select do not transfer anything. And from here, you can sign into your Apple ID. If you do not have an Apple ID, tap on forgot password or don't have an account. And from here, you can create an Apple ID for your iPhone. Otherwise, you can select Setup Later in Settings. Tap on Do Not Use. Then select Agree. Tap on Continue. Now, if you want to turn on the location services, just select Turn on Location Services, or you can select Setup Later. Select OK. Tap on Setup Later and select Skip. Now from here, just tap on Continue and select Do Not Share. Now just select the display mode for your iPhone. Now from here, you have the option of light and also you have the option of dark. If you select dark, you will enable dark mode on your iPhone. And also you have the option of auto. If you select auto, your iPhone will automatically adjust the screen mode automatically. Now I will select light, then tap on continue. Now if you want to enable Apple Intelligence, tap on continue. Otherwise you can select skip. Tap on continue. Now from here you can customize the action button of your iPhone, or you can select not now. Tap on continue. And after you have done all that, you will complete the setup process of your iPhone. Now just tap on get started to go to your home screen. Just like that. And all these steps you have skipped, you can set up them later in the settings. Just open the settings app and go to the process which you have skipped. Like if you want to set up your Apple ID, you can do it from here. And all the other settings are available over here. And this is how you can do the first time setup of the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.